I want to tell Nolan, thank you for keeping our machine clean. We always keep a little broom in here. Anyway, Nolan sweep this machine out every night after work. And that, sir, is totally awesome. Thank you for taking care of it. Anyway, I can't say enough about guys who are clean operators. That's just totally awesome. Okay, gotta refer to the experts here. Shane Mars off. If I got enough track on there, or do I need some outriggers on this old girl here? I'm good. Outrigger, like Shane says, outriggers for pussies, right? Anybody here there? This is Shane Marzoff and his son Nash. They stopped by through Pocatello and went down and had dinner with them. Nash has got a great smile. Good kid. Lucky kid to have a dad like Shane. Anyway, check out the video. What is this grader? Shane was coming through the area and hauled that. There's a link above. Click on that and watch it. It's pretty cool.
See, son? Old legends never die. They just lose weight.
Like a legend and an out-of-work bum look a lot alike, Daddy.
Bandit, me and my son are here.